Hey Workshop Whisperer fans, Rachel Sheldrick here, and I help auto repair shop owners to achieve business success. I wanted to share with you today a conversation that I've had a number of times with clients over the last couple of months in relation to where you or your partner is best placed in their role in your auto repair business once you achieve a certain size. So you may have reached a point where if you're the most experienced technician in the business, that there are times when there are jobs you simply must do. But you also recognize that you have a lot of value in the business by driving the upselling and ensuring that customers are understanding and being educated correctly so that they accept those upsells when they're presented to them. So the issue arises, should you be on the floor or should you be in more of a service advisor, service manager role? And the answer to that question isn't a straight yes or no. It's actually where we look at where you are most valuable to the business. So how do you, at this stage, most contribute to productivity and to dollars in the bank? Now, for some of you, that will be for you to remain on the floor and for you to either oversee the work or be a producer of work yourself. So, still being responsible for, around 80% productivity because you delegate the more foreman role, the more director role to somebody else. For others, it will be to actually step into that role where you'll go between front office and workshop floor to ensure that every repair order has the highest amount of sales possible. So have a look, if you find yourself in this position, at where you are most valuable for the business right now. Understand that this role might need to be flexible for a while because until you transfer all of your skills and experience, you may be required to step in to a job on the floor here or there, or you may be required to go to the front and assist, with a complex customer inquiry or sale from time to time as well. Whichever way you decide to go, ensure that your role is very clear and everybody understands your role so that they in turn can understand theirs. If you have any questions about this, make sure you reach out, and if you haven't already, please join my Facebook group Under the Hood with Rachel Sheldrick, where we're having other conversations like this one every day that can help you grow your auto repair business. Bye for now.